The Gak Gove is a revolutionary vehicle designed to bridge the gap between road and sky, offering a seamless transition from driving to flying. Its futuristic design splits into two components, a sleek flying pod and a smart driving base. The flying pod is powered by a cutting-edge multi-rotor system, giving it the ability to take off and land vertically without the need for a runway. Meanwhile, the driving base is equipped with advanced autonomous technology, capable of navigating traffic and parking on its own. What truly sets the Gove apart is the way both components communicate with each other and their environment through sophisticated sensors, ensuring a smooth and safe journey. With its cinematic sci-fi appeal, the Gak Gove isn't just a concept. It's a bold vision of what future travel could look like, merging innovation, efficiency, and pure futuristic style in one package. Jetson 1. Personal flight redefined. The Jetson 1 is not just an aircraft, it is the dawn of personal air mobility. Compact, lightweight, and built from carbon fiber, it rises like a drone come to life. 8 powerful rotors lift you effortlessly, delivering true vertical takeoff and landing. Every flight is freedom distilled into pure, electric precision. With speeds reaching 63 miles per hour, it transforms commutes into adventures. A 20-minute flight window makes it perfect for short journeys and pure exhilaration. Its agility in the air turns the everyday sky into your private highway. This is where practicality meets the thrill of exploration. Safety defines the Jetson 1 as much as its performance. Intuitive controls allow anyone with basic training to take command with confidence. It is a vision of sustainable travel, a bold leap toward tomorrow. The Jetson 1 is not transport, it is personal flight finally realized. The Stratosphera Volatile is a futuristic electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle that redefines personal flight. Designed to carry 2 passengers, it draws inspiration from Japanese sci-fi icons, resembling the Dragon Ball-style space pods first showcased at the Japan Mobility Show. Created by the visionary studio Lazzarini Design, the same minds behind the swan-shaped yacht and Saudi Arabia's turtle-shaped floating city. This concept proves their talent for turning the impossible into reality. Its spherical carbon fiber body, adapted from the Aquatica version, keeps it ultra-light yet incredibly strong, while 4 propellers mounted on the roof give it a distinctive and efficient lift system. More than just a flying pod, the Stratosphera Volatile symbolizes a new way of moving through the skies, personal, bold, and thrilling. With its blend of sci-fi aesthetics and cutting-edge engineering, it represents one of the most imaginative leaps forward in eVTOL innovation. The Joby Aviation eVTOL is a groundbreaking aircraft designed to transform urban air mobility with elegance and efficiency. Powered by 6 whisper-quiet electric motors, it combines sustainable technology with powerful performance, making it both eco-friendly and practical for daily use. The cabin is designed to carry 4 passengers and a pilot, offering wide windows that flood the interior with natural light and deliver breathtaking views during flight. Capable of reaching speeds up to 200 mph with a range of 150 miles on a single charge, it stands out as a reliable option for fast, clean, and convenient air taxi services. Safety is at its core, with redundant flight systems and a ballistic parachute built into its design, ensuring peace of mind for every journey. The Joby eVTOL isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision of the future, where cities are connected by the sky. The pivotal Helix is a groundbreaking 1-passenger eV2 aircraft that blends futuristic technology with everyday practicality. Built with a sleek fixed rotor tilt and a canopy-covered cockpit, it delivers a secure yet thrilling flying experience. Pilots control the Helix with a joystick and advanced fly-by-wire system, making it intuitive for new users while maintaining high precision. With a cruise speed of 63 miles per hour and a range exceeding 20 miles, this compact aircraft is perfect for short urban commutes and recreational flights. Weighing just 348 pounds, it can carry up to 220 pounds of payload while relying on 8 electric motors for quiet and efficient performance. At only 72 decibels during flight, the Helix is quieter than most city traffic, adding to its appeal for sustainable urban air mobility. With rapid charging options and user-friendly features, the pivotal Helix sets a new standard for personal aviation. The Rolls-Royce Axel also called the Spirit of Innovation, is a groundbreaking demonstration aircraft built to showcase the future of electric aviation. This record-shattering plane is powered by 3 advanced axial flux motors and a 750-volt battery pack containing 6,480 cells, delivering an incredible 216 kilowatts of power. On September 15, 2021, the Spirit of Innovation took its maiden flight, and by January 2022, it had already rewritten history, achieving a world record speed of 620 km/h and maintaining 560 km/h over a 3-kilometer course. These achievements were officially recognized by the Fédération Aéronautique Internationale, cementing its place in aviation history. Developed with partners Electroflight and YASA Limited, the Axel project represents Rolls-Royce's bold commitment to reaching net zero carbon emissions by 2050. More than just an aircraft, it is a powerful symbol of how innovation and sustainability can unite to shape the future of flight. Lift aircraft Hexa. The future of personal flight lift aircraft has reimagined freedom with the Hexa, an all-electric, multi-rotor aircraft. Crafted for individual use, it allows everyday people to take to the skies with ease. No pilot's license required, just climb in, lift off, and experience flight like never before. This is aviation stripped of barriers and powered by pure innovation. The exclusive Founders Series, priced at $495,000, is more than ownership. Its legacy. Operational costs are covered, giving owners unlimited flights at zero net expense. After 5 years, the aircraft can be sold back for full value or rented out for profit. It is a system built not just for flying, but for rewarding ambition. With flights ranging from 8 to 15 minutes at $249, Hexa brings dreams to reality. From bustling US cities to scenic escapes, Lift is expanding its vision worldwide. This is not transport, it's personal freedom, reinvented. Midnight eVTOL, the future of city flight. The Midnight eVTOL is a masterpiece of engineering, created to transform urban travel. Designed by Archer Aviation, it carries 4 passengers and a pilot in quiet elegance. With a range of 60 miles and speeds up to 150 miles per hour, it redefines commuting. This is not a dream. It is the arrival of true airborne mobility for our cities. Powered by 12 electric propellers, it takes flight with whispering efficiency. The noise of traditional helicopters is replaced by calm, sustainable propulsion. Every journey becomes smooth, safe, and almost impossibly quiet above the streets below. It is technology crafted for comfort, safety, and environmental responsibility. Backed by visionary investors and talent from the EV industry, Archer is leading boldly. Their mission is to make air travel as safe as commercial aviation itself. E-Flight Carbon ZT28 Trojan, a warbird reborn. The E-Flight Carbon ZT28 Trojan is not just an RC plane, it is aviation heritage reborn. With a commanding 2-meter wingspan, it fills the sky with presence and authority. Carbon-reinforced construction gives it strength, resilience, and reliability in every flight. This is scale realism brought to life, modeled after the legendary T-28 trainer. Every detail has been considered, from panel lines to a pilot figure in the cockpit. Retractable landing gear and functional flaps deliver the authenticity of a true warbird. With Safe Select and AS3X stabilization, control feels effortless and smooth. Takeoffs, landings, and aerobatic maneuvers become not just possible, but enjoyable. On 6S power, the Trojan has the muscle for loops, rolls, and high-speed passes. Yet its stability makes it welcoming, even for intermediate pilots stepping up. At around $550, it delivers history, performance, and thrill in one powerful package. J6 Fregata, elegance in the sky. The J6 Fregata is more than an aircraft. It is a statement of refinement in motion. Step inside and you are greeted with modular seating wrapped in elegant leather. Expansive windows flood the cabin with light, framing the horizon as pure theater. Every flight is guided by Garmin's Cirrus Perspective Touch Plus, merging safety with simplicity. Beneath its beauty lies a masterclass in aviation efficiency. The single-seat motor glider delivers an outstanding lift-to-drag ratio of 24. Its lightweight composite airframe reduces fuel consumption without compromising performance. This is engineering designed for both precision and peace of mind. Safety remains at the forefront with the iconic Cirrus airframe parachute system. Climate control and USB ports ensure modern comfort throughout every journey. The J6 Fregata is not simply a way to fly. It is the art of flying, redefined.
Stratolaunch Talon-A. The Stratolaunch Talon-A is rewriting the future of hypersonic flight with its groundbreaking design and unmatched speed. This advanced aircraft can fly at an astonishing 3,800 to 5,300 miles per hour, placing it firmly in the hypersonic realm. Measuring 8.5 meters in length with a 3.4 meter wingspan, the Talon-A isn't just about speed, it's about reusability and efficiency. Unlike its predecessor, the single-use Talon-1, this vehicle can take off, land on a runway, and be used again, making hypersonic testing far more cost-effective and practical. What sets the Talon-A apart is how it operates as part of Stratolaunch's unique air launch system. This system utilizes the world's largest airplane, often called the Rock, as a mobile launch platform. The Rock carries the Talon-A high into the sky before releasing it, where it ignites its rocket engine and blasts into hypersonic speeds. This approach not only provides a flexible launch system but also allows for consistent and reliable access to extreme flight conditions, something that has long been a challenge in aerospace engineering. Beyond speed and technology, the Talon-A represents a leap forward for research and innovation. It is fully recoverable, allowing scientists to collect valuable data after every mission, refine designs, and push the boundaries of what is possible in hypersonic travel. With this capability, Stratolaunch is positioning itself at the forefront of aerospace development, offering a platform that could shape future defense systems, space exploration, and even the next generation of commercial aviation.
Ray VTOL aircraft concept. The Sky reinvented the Ray VTOL aircraft concept is not just a vision, it's the rebirth of personal air travel. Crafted by Ray Research AG, this 5-seat design merges futuristic elegance with engineering brilliance. One pilot and 4 passengers step aboard a machine built to rise vertically, fly seamlessly, and land wherever life demands. It's not transportation, it's liberation from the limits of the road. This is mobility rewritten in the language of the skies. Powered by 4 integrated wing fans and 2 vectoring tail-mounted duct fans, lift becomes art in motion. Every takeoff feels like defying gravity, every landing like precision sculpted in air. Long-range capability transforms city-to-city journeys into effortless connections.
The PAL-V Liberty is rewriting the rules of travel, a bold creation that turns the dream of a flying car into a breathtaking reality. This incredible machine transitions smoothly from road to sky, combining the confidence of a high-performance vehicle with the thrill of a personal aircraft. Its innovative dual-mode design means that with a simple transformation, spinning rotors unfold and the open road becomes a runway to the clouds. Built with precision and care, the Liberty is not just about speed and style, it is about freedom. Inside, a handcrafted premium cabin surrounds you with luxury, while advanced avionics, weather radar, and multiple safety redundancies make every journey secure and effortless. On the ground, it drives like a sports car, nimble and elegant. In the air, it flies like a gyrocopter, stable and smooth, giving you the rare ability to leave the traffic behind and explore the skies. Imagine cruising down a scenic highway, then lifting off to glide over mountains, lakes, and valleys, reaching places roads cannot take you. From business trips to weekend escapes, the PAL-V Liberty opens a new dimension of mobility, designed for those who refuse to be bound by limits. Martin Jetpack. The Martin Jetpack is a unique flying machine built for one person. It's been in development for over 30 years. This jetpack uses powerful ducted fans and a petrol engine to lift off the ground. It can fly at speeds up to 40 km per hour and reach heights of 2,500 feet. With a range of 15 to 20 kilometers and a flight time of around 28 minutes, it's made for short but important missions. Weighing about 200 kilograms, the Martin Jetpack is designed to be fast and easy to control. It's especially useful for emergency services, military use, and rescue teams who need to reach places quickly and safely. Although the company behind the project is no longer operating, the Martin Jetpack remains a symbol of bold innovation. It shows what's possible when imagination meets engineering. This jetpack may not be in mass production yet, but it opened the door to new ways of personal flight. It proves that flying on your own, like in the movies, is closer to reality than ever before. The Martin jetpack may be grounded for now, but its impact on future flight technology is sure to take off.
The Lilium Jet is a revolutionary aircraft that redefines the way we think about air travel. Designed with 36 electric motors seamlessly built into its wing flaps, it combines the vertical takeoff and landing of a helicopter with the speed and range of a jet. With a top speed of 300 km per hour and a range of 300 km, it offers a fast, silent, and eco-friendly way to connect people across cities and regions. Seating up to 6 passengers plus a pilot, the Lilium Jet promises a new era of urban and regional air mobility. Its propulsion system is not only efficient, but also whisper quiet, making it a perfect solution for reducing noise pollution in crowded urban areas. Backed by successful test flights, this futuristic aircraft is no longer a dream, but a reality in the making, set to transform air travel into something faster, cleaner, and more accessible.
Lazzarini IFO, designed by Pier Paolo Lazzarini, the IFO, short for Identified Flying Object, is a bold leap into the future of personal air travel. At its core is a sleek 6.6-foot carbon fiber capsule, encircled by a larger 15.5-foot carbon fiber disc. This disc houses 8 electric engines that power the craft to speeds of up to 120 miles per hour, with a flight time between 60 and 70 minutes. Thanks to its hybrid electric setup, the IFO promises efficient and dependable performance. Boarding the aircraft is just as futuristic. Passengers can enter using 6 foldable suspension arms that lower the cabin like an elevator. In designated zones, removable bridges can also be used for easy access. Visually inspired by classic UFOs, the IFO blends sci-fi aesthetics with real-world practicality. While it's currently still a concept, Lazzarini Design Studio is actively seeking investors to make it a reality. It's part of a larger mission to develop VTOL aircraft for next-gen urban mobility. Though still on the drawing board, the IFO showcases an exciting vision of short-distance air travel and could be a game-changer in the skies of tomorrow. HIL HX50. The HIL HX50 is changing personal aviation. This sleek helicopter seats 5 people. But it's not just any helicopter. It has a powerful GT50 turbine engine with 500 shaft horsepower. The HX50 can cruise comfortably at 140 knots, which is about 161 miles per hour. It can fly up to 700 nautical miles without needing to stop for fuel. That gives you plenty of freedom to explore. HIL Helicopters from the UK has created an impressive prototype. They showed it off at the Imperial War Museum in Duxford. But they're not just selling a helicopter, they're offering a unique experience. Owners can even be part of the building process. The HX50 is available as a home-built kit, letting people get hands-on with assembly. Icon A5. Freedom redefined in the sky and water. The Icon A5 is more than an aircraft. It is a key to freedom, designed to blur the line between sky and water. Built for recreational pilots who demand versatility, it embodies adventure wrapped in elegance. With its amphibious design, it can soar across open skies and land gracefully on a remote lake, unlocking experiences that few machines on Earth can offer. Crafted primarily from carbon fiber, the A5 strikes a rare balance between strength and lightness. Its folding wings allow for easy transport and storage, transforming hangar requirements into simple convenience. Powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax engine, it cruises smoothly at around 85 knots, offering both performance and control in a package that feels intuitive, even for new aviators. Safety lies at the heart of its design. A spin-resistant airframe minimizes risks during flight. Gliders fly. Soaring through the sky with no engine, no fuel, and no noise, gliders are the purest form of human flight. Once launched by a tow plane or ground winch, they harness the invisible power of nature to stay aloft for hours, traveling great distances without burning a single drop of fuel. These sleek, lightweight aircraft are designed with ultra-long wings that maximize lift and reduce drag. Gliders ride rising warm air called thermals, catch ridge lifts as wind sweeps over hills, and tap into mountain wave currents to gain altitude. Pilots skillfully read the sky, turning nature's rhythms into graceful flight. There's something almost magical about gliding. No roaring engines, no vibration, just the sound of the wind slipping past the wings. It's flight at its most elegant and environmentally respectful. Gliders show us we don't need brute force to fly, we need understanding, precision, and respect for the atmosphere. Whether used for sport, training, or even meteorological research, gliders demonstrate just how far we can go by working with nature, not against it. It's not just flying, it's dancing with the sky. If you've ever dreamed of flight the way birds experience it, free, quiet, and breathtaking, gliding is your answer. This is aviation at its cleanest, calmest, and most inspiring. Emotion Aircraft is rewriting the rules of air mobility with a sleek, all-electric VTOL designed to deliver zero-emission flight without compromising performance. Built for speed, precision, and the freedom of vertical takeoff and landing, this futuristic two-seater flies with quiet confidence and unapologetic power. Its unique propulsion system is powered by 16 tilting electric motors that work in unison for seamless transitions from ground to sky. Crafted from ultra-light, high-strength carbon fiber and Kevlar, the Emotion Aircraft isn't just fast, it's tough. The all-composite airframe is corrosion-resistant and designed for maximum damage tolerance, making it a dependable choice for future pilots who want to fly smarter and greener. It cruises at over 250 km per hour and can cover up to 600 km on a single charge, numbers that push the envelope of what electric aviation can do today. Every line, angle, and material of the Emotion Aircraft is built with purpose, to achieve greater efficiency, longer range, and unmatched flight dynamics in the emerging world of eVTOLs. It's compact, nimble, and incredibly efficient, a perfect fit for the fast-paced rhythm of urban air travel or regional hops across the map. With this aircraft, Emotion isn't just a name, it's what you feel when you see it lift off. It represents the next evolution of clean aviation, a whisper-quiet revolution in the skies. The Emotion Aircraft isn't coming for the future, it is the future. The Aska Fly eVTOL is a game-changer, blending the freedom of driving with the excitement of flying. This sleek electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle moves effortlessly between roads and skies, making travel faster and more flexible than ever before. Designed as a spacious four-seater, it offers room like a large SUV and can cover up to 250 miles on a single charge. Charging is simple because it uses existing electric vehicle stations, no special infrastructure needed, making it easy to adopt. With advanced in-wheel motor technology, the Aska Fly promises a smooth, quiet ride on the ground and an exhilarating flight experience in the air. It's about more than just moving from point A to B. It's about giving people the freedom to choose how they travel. This innovative vehicle combines cutting-edge tech with everyday practicality, perfect for those who want convenience without compromise. Expected to hit the market in 2026 after certification, the Aska Fly eVTOL is set to reshape personal transportation. It's faster, safer, and more enjoyable, opening new possibilities for urban and regional travel. Imagine skipping traffic by soaring above it, then driving seamlessly to your final destination. The future of travel is electric, vertical, and right around the corner. The Aska Fly eVTOL isn't just a vehicle, it's a whole new way to experience the world. Aeromobil 5.0. The future of flying cars is here. Buckle up, because the Aeromobil 5.0 is about to change the way we travel. This isn't just a car, it's a door-to-door flying machine. Designed by Slovakia's Aeromobil, this futuristic vehicle seats four, takes off vertically like a helicopter, and cruises like a plane. No pilot needed. Twin electric propellers on its wings lift it skyward, while a powerful pusher propeller in the back rockets it forward with a jaw-dropping 435-mile range. Safety? Absolutely. With airbags and a full aircraft parachute, this isn't just cutting edge, it's built to protect. Imagine skipping traffic forever, merging the freedom of flying with the simplicity of driving. The Aeromobil 5.0 isn't just a vehicle, it's the future of transportation taking flight. The Flying Whales LCA-60T, an airship like no other, built to change the future of freight transport. At 200 meters long and 50 meters in diameter, it's a true giant in the sky, designed to lift an incredible 60 tons of cargo with ease. Its massive helium-filled structure gives it buoyancy, while its all-electric propulsion system, powered by clean hydrogen fuel cells, keeps it whisper quiet and emissions low. The LCA-60T isn't just about size, it's about reaching places traditional transport can't. Remote forests, mountains, and islands become accessible without building roads, rails, or runways. With a cavernous 96-meter-long cargo bay, it can carry oversized loads or even lift cargo externally, making it perfect for everything from wind turbines to humanitarian supplies. Built by the forward-thinking company Flying Whales, this airship blends cutting-edge tech with deep respect for the planet. It's crafted to lower the environmental impact of freight, reducing carbon dioxide emissions while serving regions that need clean, reliable transport options the most. The use of hydrogen fuel cells marks a major shift toward sustainable aviation, setting a new benchmark for green logistics. Flying Whales isn't just lifting heavy cargo, it's lifting expectations for what's possible in air transport. With innovation, power, and responsibility in every flight, the LCA-60T is more than a flying machine. It's a symbol of a cleaner, connected world. Hellcat. The $775,000 hybrid that makes waves like never before. This isn't just another boat. The Hellcat is a revolutionary catamaran that takes the best parts of a speedboat and a helicopter to create the most exhilarating water experience imaginable. Picture yourself blasting across the waves at 40 knots. That's 46 miles per hour for us land lovers. With a design so stable it laughs at choppy waters while giving you unobstructed 360-degree views of the ocean. What makes this $775,000 masterpiece so special? That genius two-hull configuration combines with a low center of gravity to deliver a ride so smooth you'll forget you're not flying, while cutting through waves like a hot knife through butter. The open cockpit isn't just for show, it puts you right in the heart of the action, wind in your hair, with all the latest navigation tech at your fingertips. Whether you're looking to dominate water sports or just cruise in ultimate luxury, the Hellcat delivers heart-pounding performance without sacrificing an ounce of safety. Klein Vision Flying Car. The future takes flight. The dream of flight has always belonged to visionaries, and with the Klein Vision AirCar, that dream has become reality. Born in Slovakia under the brilliance of Stefan Klein, this remarkable machine fuses the freedom of the skies with the convenience of the road. At first glance, it looks like a sleek sports coupe, but within moments it can unfold its wings, extend its tail, and transform into a certified aircraft. Powered by a 1.6-liter BMW engine producing 104 kilowatts of thrust, the AirCar is as capable on the runway as it is on the highway. In just 300 meters, it lifts gracefully into the air, reaching speeds of 170 kilometers per hour while offering a range of up to 1,000 kilometers. The transition from car to plane takes just over 2 minutes, a seamless metamorphosis that feels like pure science fiction brought to life. Every element of its design has been engineered with precision. The primary fuselage carries 30 to 40% of the lift, while the folding wings and high-mounted tail provide stability and control. This is not just a prototype, it's a statement of what personal transport could become in the decades ahead. The Klein Vision AirCar is more than a vehicle. It is a revolution in motion, crafted for pioneers who refuse to be bound by roads or borders. It represents freedom in its purest form. The ability to drive, take flight, and embrace the sky on your own terms. The MiL Mi-32 was not just a helicopter, it was a Cold War titan in the making. A bold Soviet concept, this aircraft was designed to be the largest helicopter the world had ever seen. With 3 enormous rotors and unmatched lift capacity, it aimed to transport tanks, troops, and even mobile missile systems deep into battle zones. The vision was clear. Overpower the West with pure aerial muscle and redefine what heavy lift aviation meant. Stretching the boundaries of engineering, the Mi-32 would have dwarfed everything in the sky. It was more than transport, it was a flying fortress. The Soviets imagined it dominating every scenario, from battlefield logistics to rapid response deployments. Its massive scale and ambition were symbolic of an era where technological one-upmanship was a matter of national pride. But despite the awe-inspiring concept, reality hit hard. The Mi-32's engineering demands were monumental. The costs spiraled, materials couldn't meet the vision, and stability at such a size remained a critical concern. Eventually, the project was shelved, never to leave the drawing board. Yet, the legend of the Mi-32 lives on. It remains a striking example of how far human ambition can stretch, even when it outpaces practicality. This forgotten giant still echoes the daring dreams of Soviet aviation, massive, menacing, and ahead of its time. It's a story of vision, limits, and what could have been in the skies. The NASA Puffin is not just a concept, it's a glimpse into the future of personal flight. Designed as a one-person electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, this futuristic eVTOL blends science fiction with real-world engineering. Its sleek, upright form mimics a flying penguin, which is exactly where it gets its name. Compact, lightweight, and designed for the skies, the Puffin is built to navigate the chaos of urban life from above. Powered entirely by electric motors, the Puffin produces zero emissions. It's nearly silent, incredibly efficient, and doesn't contribute to air pollution or noise pollution, something our cities desperately need. Its top speed clocks in at 150 miles per hour, and with a range of about 50 miles per charge, it's ideal for short commutes or rapid emergency travel. It's not about long distance, it's about beating the traffic below with precision and speed. What makes the Puffin truly revolutionary is its vertical takeoff and landing. No runway, no launch pad, just up and away from your driveway, rooftop, or any tight urban corner. This opens up a world where personal air travel becomes as routine as taking a bike. NASA's Puffin isn't just an aircraft, it's a bold step toward cleaner skies and smarter mobility. It redefines how we think about travel, merging sustainability, speed, and simplicity into one elegant design. With the Puffin, flight becomes personal, practical, and truly futuristic. SkyOV, rewriting the future of flight. In the heart of Barcelona, visionary designer Oscar Wiegel imagined an aircraft that would shatter the boundaries of speed, sustainability, and style. The SkyOV is no ordinary jet. It is an emission-free supersonic marvel, engineered to glide through the stratosphere at a breathtaking 1,141 miles per hour. This is not just a leap forward, it's aviation's next great revolution. Its four foldable aerodynamic wings adapt to the skies with precision, while bladeless turbojet engines, powered by hydrogen and electricity, propel it into a cleaner, faster tomorrow. Inside, the SkyOV can host 200 passengers in a multi-configuration space, luxurious seating intertwined with advanced electronics and adaptive comfort zones. This is travel redefined, where efficiency meets indulgence. Every curve of the SkyOV draws from the latest innovations in aerospace technology, designed to make flights greener, quieter, and more exhilarating. Though still a concept, early estimates suggest a $200 million price tag per jet, with a transatlantic ticket costing around $5,000. These numbers, like the aircraft itself, will evolve as technology, demand, and vision converge. The SkyOV is more than a machine, it's a promise. A promise that speed and sustainability can coexist without compromise. A promise that the horizon is not a limit but an invitation. For those who dare to imagine, the SkyOV is already waiting in the future, ready to carry us there at the speed of dreams. SkyDrive's Future Flight SD05. SkyDrive's Future Flight SD05 is a new kind of electric air taxi. It's designed to change how people move around busy cities in Japan and beyond. This flying vehicle will make its public debut at Expo 2025 in Osaka. The SD05 has space for 3 people. It's powered by 12 electric rotors, which let it take off and land straight up and down, just like a helicopter. It can fly short city routes up to 15 kilometers, making it perfect for quick, local travel. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber body, it's strong but light. The wide windows offer a clear, panoramic view, while the electric power keeps flights quiet and eco-friendly. In April 2025, the SD05 completed its first public flight, reaching an altitude of over 5 meters. This aircraft is backed by Japan's Civil Aviation Bureau and will be built in partnership with Suzuki. Production is set to begin in 2026. SkyDrive's air taxi isn't just a futuristic idea, it's becoming real. In the future, J2000 Flying Car. The Jetoptera J2000 is a futuristic flying car concept built for both vertical takeoff and landing as well as high-speed flight. This vehicle is designed to work like a plane and a car in one, making it ideal for city travel and longer trips. It runs on a fluidic propulsive system, which is a special type of engine technology developed by Jetoptera. This allows the J2000 to reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. It can fly for around 200 miles on a single trip. The J2000 has a maximum takeoff weight of 2,000 pounds and can carry a payload between 450 to 800 pounds. That means it's perfect for carrying passengers, luggage, or even cargo. Nalwa 5X. In the race toward the skies of tomorrow, one machine stands as a fearless challenger, the Nalwa 5X. Slightly larger than an SUV, this electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is built for those who demand more. It combines compact design with an elegance that feels born from the future itself. With each detail, it redefines efficiency, merging strength and sophistication into a single form. This is not just an aircraft, it is liberation sculpted in steel and silence. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour, the Nalwa 5X is a bullet of electricity piercing the horizon. Its service ceiling of 2,000 meters ensures that no view is ever out of reach. Autonomous flight of 90 minutes, with reserves to spare, makes every journey smooth and dependable. With 12 electric duct fans powering its pivoting propulsion system, stability and control are absolute. The result is precision that feels almost instinctive, as if the aircraft itself anticipates your needs. Inside, modular design transforms the cabin into whatever your mission demands. Passenger transport, cargo delivery, or specialized operations, each role is handled with seamless confidence. The promise of safety is embedded in every innovation, ensuring that ambition never sacrifices trust. This is aviation where luxury meets responsibility, and progress meets protection. The Nalwa 5X carries the weight of its tagline with pride: never let you down. The future of air travel has a name, and its name is Nalwa. It is more than a prototype, it is a declaration of intent. With advanced propulsion, autonomous intelligence, and robust design, it turns science fiction into fact. Govy AirJet. The sky is now within reach. From the cutting edge of China's Gak Group comes the Govy AirJet, a bold leap into the future of personal air mobility. Built with 90% carbon fiber composites, it's impossibly light, aerodynamically sculpted, and engineered for total freedom. This is not just a flying car, it's an airborne experience crafted for those who refuse to be grounded. The AirJet fuses fixed-wing performance with vertical takeoff mastery, allowing it to launch like a drone and soar like a plane. Clocking in at 155 miles per hour with a range of 124 miles, it turns city traffic into a distant memory. Its electric powertrain recharges in just 30 minutes, setting the pace for clean, connected travel that doesn't wait. Inside, its elegance redefined. A 1+X seating layout delivers comfort and luxury for up to 4 passengers in a cocoon of calm. Every detail speaks of innovation, quiet propulsion, intuitive controls, and panoramic views that make the journey as thrilling as the destination. With solid-state battery tech on the horizon, future versions will double the range, pushing 249 miles on a single charge. Certification begins in 2025. By 2027, Govy AirJet won't just be a prototype, it will be part of your skyline. The Lockheed C-130 Hercules stands as one of the greatest aviation icons in history, a machine that has shaped military operations around the world for decades. Born in 1954 and still in production today, this 4-engine turboprop aircraft is a true workhorse of the skies, holding the title of the longest continuously produced military aircraft in the world. What makes the Hercules so legendary is its extraordinary versatility. Built to operate where other planes simply cannot, it takes off and lands on rough, unprepared runways with a confidence that has saved lives in some of the most remote and dangerous corners of the planet. From carrying troops and heavy cargo to acting as a flying hospital, a search and rescue platform, a weather research lab, an aerial refueling tanker, and even a heavily armed gunship, there is almost nothing this aircraft cannot do. With more than 2,500 built and flying under the flags of over 60 nations, the C-130 has been at the heart of every major humanitarian mission, combat operation, and scientific expedition for nearly 70 years. Pegasus Flying Car. The Pegasus E is a groundbreaking flying car that effortlessly switches between driving on the road and soaring through the sky. Designed as a sleek two-seater, it offers a top speed of 120 km per hour and a flight range of up to 120 km. Thanks to its hybrid electric powertrain, it can travel up to 200 km on a single charge, making it both efficient and eco-friendly. One of the Pegasus E's standout features is its user-friendly design. Even those with no flying experience can operate it using a simple joystick-based control system. Safety is also a top priority. The vehicle comes equipped with advanced features like a built-in parachute system and collision avoidance technology to help prevent accidents. The Pegasus E could be a game-changer in personal transportation, offering a fast, safe, and convenient way to cover short distances by air or land. It's not just a concept, it's the future of travel.